In today's quick video, I'll show you how you can share files with other people on Google Drive, and I'll also show you quickly how you can share folders as well. So to share files, go to New and then go to File Upload, and here you want to share a file, so choose the file you want to share. I'm going to choose my YouTube thumbnail here and click Open. So once it's uploaded to Google Drive, we'll just wait a second here. We can now right click on this and we can click on Share. When we click on Share, we'll get like a new box which pops up where we can get a shareable link, or we can enter in the people or the email addresses we want to share this file with. To actually change the share settings, go to Advanced, and here you can change who has access to the file and who can delete or edit it. So you can see I'm the owner of the file and it is currently private, so I can change this. I can change it so anyone with the link can access it, or anyone on the public internet can find it. Or I can keep it on the default so only people with the link can see it. So I can copy this link here, or I can invite people. So I'm going to just invite my other email address, and I can actually change if I can edit, comment, or only view it, and then we can click on Send. They'll then get an email and they can then open up this file. So that's how you can share your file onto Google Drive to other people. It's essentially the same thing with a folder. You just have to put your file inside of the folder. You can right click and do the same thing. Thank you for watching. If it helped you out, please do leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.